Hello, in this video I want to show you how to clean storage in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Pro. First you need to find the security app on your phone, then open this app, and here you can use the cleaner and just wait, and then clean up these gigabytes. Or you can back arrow click on it and find the deep clean and select it. Or 30 method, go to the setting and scroll down, find the apps, manage apps, click on the three lines, find the app you designed to clean storage, for example AliExpress, clean data and clean cache. And this all, but I recommend the first method, and this all, goodbye.